Hey everyone! Welcome back to Quad Tech. In this video, we're breaking down some fundamental data types in C#, int, string, and bool. These are essential building blocks for programming in C#, and understanding them will help you start coding more effectively. Let's start with the int type. In C#, int is short for integer. It's used to store whole numbers, like 1, 42, or -7. This type is useful whenever you need to work with numbers that don't have any decimal points. Here we have some examples. Age is set to 25. Score to 100. And temperature to -5. Notice that these are all whole numbers. If we try to use a decimal, like 25.5, C# will give us an error because it only accepts whole numbers. String type. Next up, we have string. A string in C# is used to store text. Anything between double quotes is considered a string, so it can include letters, numbers, and symbols. In these examples, name holds the text Alice. Greeting as hello, world. Number as text stores 123. Notice that even though 123 is a number, putting it in double quotes makes it text. Strings are great for storing anything from names to sentences, and we can even combine, or concatenate, strings to create new messages. Now, bool type. Finally, let's talk about bool, which is short for Boolean. This type represents two values only, true or false. It's incredibly useful when we want to check conditions or control the flow of our code. Here, is raining is set to false, meaning it's not raining. Is logged in is true, indicating that someone is logged in. This type is especially helpful in if statements, where we can make decisions based on whether something is true or false. Has passed is also true, which could mean that a test or a check was successful. And that's it for today's basics. Now you know how to use int for numbers, string for text, and bool for true/false values. I hope this helped you understand these types better. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.